ordering fast food. Listen to the recording and practice.
Next in line, please. Can I get an extra large green tea, please? Is it with sugar or without sugar? Without sugar, please. Anything else? Medium fries and a cheeseburger, please. Is that all? Yes. Is it to go or stay? To go, please. Can you add a medium bubble tea as well? Sure. You ordered an extra large green tea, medium fries, a cheeseburger, and bubble tea. Yes. How do you want to pay? Debit card, please. Go ahead and complete the transaction. The order will be ready in a few minutes. Thanks. You are welcome. See you next time. See you. Have a great day.
Good job, everyone.